what they are packaging here.
For all of now, when they like to drink expensive wine, maybe not see when they manufacture the wine when they drink. Expensive wine, where we say, you see,
Jameson.
the thing we go watch for this video, you go shock.
From the same source.
Just they watch and they go.
Expensive wine from the same source.
See when they manufacture those things, expensive drinks when they drink. Now be this. Human beings wicked though. Now this thing people go drink finish then go they get sickness when no get name.
See how they filter.
Incurable diseases. Oh my god.
Look at their
kidney failure, all those liver cirrhosis, all this thing na him.
The funnel. No, when you decide those ones, you can just from the same source. You get white horse from the same source. From the same source. From the same source. No, not just few. Then we'll destroy this one.
See how dirty the environment is. Very dirty. They will cook all concussion. Fake product. They go pirate. They go manufacture the fake one. You go see the fake and the original. You go know the difference.
This is already
at the same. See this. So see. Just see what human beings they do themselves. Their fellow human beings.
This is already mixed.
God forbid.
From here, you can see Mattel. This one is yet on label. Hey, make una see you. See you. This expensive one, oh. My God.
No, eh?
See.
We don't feel take inventory anything, no.
No.
No, what we'll do is
Just
keep two of it now.
Okay.
Sure, you need two.
Put her for that carton.
Okay.
See what they are packaging.
It never finish, oh. If you watch this to finish, I don't know whether I go figure drink any drink now, self. I dey fear to drink them. Different brand of drinks. You go find them here, then go concoct them for here. What thing they surprise me be say, how people when they drink the drink, you will not know the difference between the original and the fake. That ingenuity should have been converted to manufacture good product.
The colorant. This is their ethanol. This is their ethanol. You can hear the smell.
If you drink and finish, you go to eat your liver. Your liver go to perforate. Person go to die. You go to call village people and then they do you for free. You know the thing where you drink, where you take your money buy. Take money they buy waiting they kill you. Hi, God, Nigerians. So now una wicked though. We dey blame government, but the one way they do ourselves now pass. See where then they produce something when me and you they chop. Hey, fellow Nigerians, see wetin I dey see. How they do see the environment when they produce this thing. Eh? If they produce and finish, package and pack them for carton, carry and go to market. You go think say na from factory.
Hey, Jehovah. You can even literally swim.
Jesus, what is this? You find it, I go there when you were.